Here's another general anti-differentiation problem where we have to solve for the initial function f of x, or y, as a function of x, and we're given the second derivative of f double prime is 28x cubed minus 6x, and then we're given a function value for f prime and f prime of 1 is 5 and f of 0 is 7. So in order to get all the way to f of x, we need to start with f double prime, and we should take the antiderivative of f double prime in order to get f prime of x. And that will look like this. And so to take this antiderivative, first we're going to use the power rule because we have a polynomial right here. And so how this works is we raise the exponent on each term by 1 and then divide by that new exponent. So we're going to raise this to x to the fourth when it was x cubed and then divide by 4. And the same for the minus 6x term. We're going to raise it to x squared and divide by 2. And when this is all simplified, we're going to get f prime of x equals 7x to the fourth minus 3x squared plus c, the constant of integration. And so in order to find the general f prime of x, we need to solve for c using our function value up here. So we'll plug in 5 for f prime of x, and we'll plug in 1 for x, and then solve for c, and we get c is 1. So we plugged in c up here, and now we have our general f prime of x right here. And then to get f, we'll just anti-differentiate again. And here's our f function value that we'll use later. So to evaluate this antiderivative, we'll use the power rule again. And we're going to raise the exponent and divide. And the 1 will just turn into x to the first over 1, which is just x. And then here's our f of x, and we again have a constant of integration that we'll use this function value to solve for. So you plug in 0 for x, and then 7 for f of x, solve for c, and c is 7. And plugging that back into here gets our final function, y equals f of x equals 7/5 x to the 5th minus x cubed plus x plus 7.